right, time to take a look at the Nuovoware electric milk frother. So we got our user manual. That's actually pretty nice looking. Cool. So we got a nice wood look to the handle and to the top. I can't tell if that's actually wood or plastic. It looks and it feels pretty legit. I'm not really sure though. At the top, we got a nice rubber seal on that cap. We got a couple extra heads, and there's one already attached. Here we got our base. So that is just going to sit right into the bottom of the frother. And it says right here, if we're going to be just heating the milk, we can have a max capacity of 500 milliliters, but because the frothing actually makes the milk expand, the maximum is going to be 290 milliliters. But that will expand to probably close to what the heated milk is going to be. So I'm going to use whole milk. You can kind of see in there, we got a max line for heating, then we have another max line for the frothing and a minimum line for the frothing. So I'm going to fill it up to the minimum line. So I don't need a heck of a lot. I'll put the cap on. So we got on-off function on the left. If we touch it once, it'll give us thick. If we touch it twice, it'll give us thin. And if we touch it 3 times, it'll just heat it up. I want thick, so I'm going to go with that. If we had it on heating, then we would set the temp with the right button. So for me, just going to be a 1-button press, and it should automatically shut off whenever it's ready. Okay, we are done. Now because I put it on thick, that is going to be a little bit longer than if I put it on thin. Wow, look at that. That expanded quite a bit from the amount of milk that I put in there. And that is nice and hot. That is awesome. Absolutely beautiful. You are not going to get froth milk any easier than that. It tastes extremely good too. So yeah, I'm really impressed with that, and I actually really like that the bottom gets all of its power from the base, so we can take this thing out and we can wash it separately. We don't have to worry about it. All we gotta do is stick it on, and it automatically receives power. So yeah, that is a very nice milk frother.